Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is encapsulation. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is encapsulation? Encapsulation is a way to restrict the direct access to some components of an object, so users cannot access state values for all of the variables of a particular object. Encapsulation can be used to hide both data members and data functions or methods associated with instantiated class or object. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is encapsulation is all about. One of the most very important concepts to be learned if you are learning about object-oriented programming. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.